morning, students. Today I am going to solve problem on Taylor's expansion, students. The importance of this problem is the function contains exponential function, students. What, students? Exponential function. So important problem, students. Let us see. Write down, students. Using Taylor series method, find y at 0.1 comma y at 0.2. Given that dy by dx that is equal to 2y plus 3 e power x, y at 0 is equal to 1. Y at 0 is equal to 1. Solution, students. Solution. Given dy by dx means, students, y dash that is equal to 2y plus 3 e power x, students. See, students, we have exponential function here. Okay, in previous class we have done algebraic function, students. Now this time exponential function. Okay, students, right. And what is condition, students? Given condition y at 0 is equal to 1. So it is y at x naught is equal to y naught. That implies what is x naught value, students? 0, and y naught value 1. Y naught value 1. So Taylor series method. What is general formula, students? yn plus 1 that is equal to yn plus h by 1 factorial into yn dash plus h square by 2 factorial into yn double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial into yn triple dash plus h power 4 by 4 factorial into yn power 4 plus and so on. Students. Now put n is equal to 0, students. N is equal to 0. We know here n starts from, students, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Put n is equal to 0, students. We get here y1 that is equal to n, students. N value is 0. So y naught plus h by 1 factorial into y naught dash, students, plus h square by 2 factorial into y naught double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial into y naught triple dash plus h power 4 by 4 factorial into y naught power 4 plus and so on. Students, plus and so on. Now we know y naught value, students. What is y naught value? 1. Y naught value is 1. So y naught dash, students. Y naught dash, y naught double dash, y naught triple dash, y naught power 4. We know y dash value, students. Y dash value. So y dash that is equal to 2y plus 3 e power x, students. 3 e power x. Now I want to find y double dash, students. Y double dash that is equal, come on, students, 2y dash plus 3 into e power x derivative is e power x. E power x derivative is e power x. So y triple dash, students. Y triple dash that is equal to 2 y dash derivative, students. Y double dash plus 3 into e power x derivative is e power x, students. So y power 4 that is equal to 2 into y double dash derivative, students. Y triple dash plus 3 into e power x derivative is e power x. E power x derivative is e power x. So that implies I want to find y naught dash, students. Y naught dash. Y naught dash means, students, whenever you observe y and x, you write x naught and y naught, students. X naught and y naught. So here we have y, students. So 2y naught plus 3 into e power x naught, students. So that is equal to 2 into y naught value 1 plus 3 into e power x naught, students. X naught value 0. X naught value 0. So we get here 2 plus 3 that is equal to 5, students. 5. That implies y naught double dash, students. Y naught double dash. So 2 y naught dash plus 3 e power x naught. 3 e power x naught. So 2 into y naught dash value, students. 5 plus 3 into 1 e power x naught value is 0, so 1. So 2 5s are 10 plus 3, 13. So y naught power triple dash, that is equal to 2 y naught double dash plus 3 e power x naught, that is equal to 2 into y naught double dash, students, 13 plus 3 into e power x naught means 1, students. So 2 13 is 26 plus 3, 29. That implies y naught power 4, students, y naught power 4, that is equal to 2 y naught triple dash plus 3 e power x naught, students. So that is equal to 2 into y naught triple dash, 29 plus 3, 29 plus 3. 2 9s are 18, 1, 58 plus 3, that is equal to 61, students. That is equal to 61. This is y naught power 4, students. Now say this is 1. This is 1. So all these values substitute in 1, students. Substitute in 1 we get. Substitute in 1 we get. So y1 that is equal to y1 that is equal to y naught. What is y naught value, students? 1 plus h value. H value. What is h value, students? H value x minus x naught. What is x value here? 0.1. So 0.1 minus x naught value, students. X naught value is 0. So 0.1 h value. So 0.1 y naught dash 5 plus h square, 0.1 square by 2 factorial means 2 into 13 plus 0.1 whole cube by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2, 6 into 29, students. 29 plus 0.1 whole power 4 by 4 factorial, 4 into 6, 24 into 61, students, into 61. Now you calculate all these values at a time, students, in the calci. So 1 plus 0.1 into 5 plus 0.1, you put these two values in the bracket, students. So bracket 0.1 x square, that means we get 0.1 square into 13 divided by 2 plus bracket again you find these two values once again, you put in the bracket and divide with 6, students. So put bracket 0.1 shift x cube, that means we get 0.1 cube into 29 bracket close divided by 6, students, 6 plus again put these two terms into bracket, students. So bracket 0.1 cap 4 into 61 bracket close divided by 24. You check the value, students. Okay, that is equal to, we get here 1.57. 1.57. Now let us say y at 0.2 value, students. Let us continue, students. Now we need here y1 value, students. Y1 value. What is y1 value, students? 1.57. And we need x1 value, students. x naught plus h. What is x naught, students? 0. X naught value is 0. H value is 0.1. So x1 value is 0.1. So we need these two values, students, this time. So you continue from here, students. Continue. Taylor series method, students. What is y2 students? Come on, tell me. Y1 plus h by 1 factorial into y1 dash plus h square by 2 factorial into y1 double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial into y1 triple dash plus h power 4 by 4 factorial into y1 power 4 plus and so on. Or students, plus and so on. So We know y dash value, students. Y dash, that is equal, what is y dash? 2y plus 3 e power x. 3 e power x. Now we find y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, y power 4. So y double dash, students, y double dash, that is equal to 2 y derivative is y dash plus 3 into e power x derivative is e power x. So y triple dash, students, that is equal to 2 y dash, y dash derivative is y double dash, students. So plus 3 into e power x derivative is e power x. So y power 4, that is equal to y double dash derivative, students, y triple dash plus 3 into e power x. E power x. That implies we already known y1 value, students. What is y1 value? 1.57. Okay. Now whenever you find y1 dash value, you write x1 y1 in place of xy, students, in place of xy. So here we have 2y, students. So 2y1 plus 3 into e power x1, students, x1. So that is equal to 2y1 1.57 plus 3 into e power x1 value is 0.1. So that is equal to, here we need calculator, students. Okay, come on, do it now. 2 into 1.57, that is equal to, we get here 3.14, and then you find this value, students, plus 3 into shift ln, we get e value, students, 0.1, that is equal to 3.32, that is equal to plus 3.14, that is equal to 6.46, because this value is fixed, students, here 3 e power x, 3 e power x, 3 e power x, 3 e power x. So 3 e power x value, students, 3.32. Okay, students, right. That implies here, students, y1 double dash, that is equal to 2y1 dash plus 3 e power x1, that is equal to 2y1 dash. Y1 dash means 6.46 plus 3 into 3 e power x1 value, students. 3 e power x1 value. That means what is the value? 3 into e power 0.1 value, 3.32. That is equal to, okay, students, right, 2 into 6.46 plus 3.32. That is equal to 16.24. Whenever this value fixed, students, it is better to write directly value, students, because our time saves in external examination, students. Okay, right. Now y1 triple dash, that is equal to 2y1 double dash plus 3 e power x1, that is equal to 2 into y1 double dash, students, 16.24 plus this value is, students, 3.32 fixed. So that is equal to into 2, students, plus 3.32, that is equal, we get here 35.80. That implies y power 4, students, y1 power 4, that is equal to 2y1 triple dash plus 3 e power x1, that is equal to 2 y1 triple dash, students, 35.80 plus this value is 3 into e power x1 value is 3.32. So 3.32, that is equal to into, already we have 35.80, students, in the calculator. So into 2 plus 3.32, that is equal to 74.92, students, 74.92. So y2 value, y2 means here, students, y at 0.2. y2 means y at 0.2. Okay, students, y2 means y2 at 0.2, because x2 value, students, x2 means here x1 plus h, students. What is x1? 0.1 plus h1, students. What is h1? 0.1. So 0.1 plus 0.1, 0.2. So this is y at 0.2 students. So that is equal to y1 value 1.57 plus h value 0.1 y1 dash 6.46 plus h square by 2 factorial. So 0.1 square by 2 into 16.24 plus 0.1 whole cube by 3 factorial. 3 into 2 6 into 35.80 plus 0.1 whole power 4 by 4 into 6 students 24 into 74.92. So that is equal to calculate all the value at a time students, at a time in the calculator students. So 1.57 plus 0.1 into 6.46 plus, you write these two terms in the bracket students. So put bracket 0.1 x square, that means get square, into 16.24 bracket close divided by 2 plus, put bracket again, you write these two terms in the bracket students. So 0.1 shift x cube students, that means we get a cube into 35.80 bracket close divided by 6 plus, same students, bracket 0.1 cap 4 into 74.92 bracket close divided by 24. That is equal to, we get here 2.30 students, 2.30. This is the value of y at 0.2 students of given problem. Okay students, hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box students. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.